Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the new Bose Quiet Comfort 2, essentially also known as the QC35-2. They're priced for 29,300 odd Indian rupees. So they're pricey, but they're supposedly one of the best in the industry. So we're going to quickly unbox them and see what all is inside the box and take a first look at these headphones. I've got my knife over here. Let me quickly cut through the packaging. So this is the box. Inside the box, when you open the flap, you get the case, which is a nice flat style travel case. It looks pretty nice. And you also have additional pocket at the back to possibly keep your accessories, maybe a cable, stuff like that. And there's absolutely nothing else inside the box. So minimal packaging. If I go further in a little bit, I do get silica gel. That's nice. Then we also get some important safety information, a booklet, a basic user guide. Don't need any of that. Put the box to the side. Let's take a look at what's inside this case. So inside the case, you get the headphones themselves. You also have a 3.5 mm cable, which will be standard for most smartphones. Modern smartphones, however, will require an adapter. So this is a standard micro USB charging cable that is for the headphones to charge up. And that's basically everything inside the box. So you do get the headphones and you do get the standard 3.5 mm cable. Now these are wireless. These are Bluetooth enabled. So most headphones or most smartphones will easily work with them. So you do have a switch over here at the left. So you can turn that on and go into Bluetooth mode. They appear to be fully charged up and Bluetooth mode is on. I'm going to pull out my phone real quick, jump into Bluetooth, and apart from all the things that are up there, they should show up at the bottom. So you can see Bose QC35 over here on my phone and they're connected. So as simple as that, you do have a few buttons. You can install the app for the Bose Quiet Comfort 2 or the QC35-2 on your smartphone. And they do have active noise cancellation and passive noise cancellation as well. So you can enable or disable the kind of noise cancellation you want. You can also tweak around with the kind of sound capability this device has based on what your requirements are. Again, a lot of tweaking and customizations that are available. Now versus the previous generation one, the design is almost identical. You do have a leather wrapped headband over here, a really nice memory foam ear cushion, which is over here. And then you do have your control buttons. So you do have a play pause button and a volume up and down button. And then you also have a battery indicator, a charging port, and then you can also see an NFC logo over here. That means that with most devices that do have NFC pairing, these will pair up really nicely. And then you can see several holes. These are for the noise cancellation microphones and also for some vents. And then you also have a really nice large L and R logo within the ear cups themselves. They are known to be quite flexible and really durable. And they're really well made as well. And let me quickly pop them on my head and see how they fit. The noise cancellation on these is pretty good. I can barely hear myself after I put these on. That means that they're basically working. I'm gonna download the Bose Connect app and the Bose Hear app so that I can sync up these headphones and customize the kind of sound that I'm getting from them. So the apps are quickly downloading. So it quickly detects the headphones and it can name them. You can give them your own name. The coolest thing about these is that they do have Google Assistant on the headphones themselves. So you can activate Google Assistant, and whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, Google Assistant will work. You'll just need to download the Google Assistant for iOS in case you want to use them with these headphones. So you do have basic volume control, which is over here. And then you also have the kind of noise cancellation you want. Right now on high, you do tend to hear that pressure, a negative pressure that you hear on your ears. This will work really well. The high noise cancellation, if you're flying in an aircraft, that will sort of help you cancel out the aircraft noise, and that makes it comfortable. But if you don't like noise cancellation, if you want to turn it off, you can easily turn it off. And then you start to hear yourself. Right now, the noise cancellation with it enabled, I can barely even hear my voice. So it sounds really strange and it takes a while to get used to it. You can play some music and then you can also customize the kind of settings that you have over here. So what does the action button do? It'll call up the Google Assistant, or you can choose between noise cancellation or Google Assistant. And then you also have an auto timer, so in case you're not using the headphones, they'll automatically turn off. You also have voice prompts, so when the headphones are on, when they're connected, you'll get voice prompts. you can disable those as well. So right now it's transferring the firmware. There is a new update right out of the box for the headphones. I'm downloading that right now. So that's it. That was a quick look. On my head, they seem really comfortable, and the minute I take them off, it sounds like a completely different situation. I feel like I'm in a completely different environment, which is really interesting, the kind of noise cancellation Bose has with their headphones. I also like the overall fit and finish. Of course, we're going to be doing a full review of these headphones. I'm going to be using them as my personal headphones for a while before I give you that review. And I also like the carry case. It has a whole bunch of nifty pockets. So if I want to take my airline adapter, if I want to take maybe a power bank or stuff like that, I can do that with these headphones. So overall, pretty impressive. The sound quality and the noise cancellation and all of those things we'll let you know in the full review of these headphones. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.